Your package was delivered.
Sweet.
Let's go, come on. Come on, Grace. Let's go to the front. Side door. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! Look at how massive it is. Awesome. It's finally here. Look, Grace. Come here. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. I just want her to get pricked by the cactus. Leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, you can hold this one. I don't want her to get pricked by the cactus. Look at the package. Ready? Our package is finally here. I've waited over 2 weeks to receive this. It came all the way from Italy, and I cannot wait to open it. You might be wondering what is in here, and you're about to find out. Now, hold on to me. Let's go. Okay, she needs to get entertained now because I'm gonna have that knife and she can't. Whoa. What do I have in here? 2 weeks ago, over 2 weeks ago, I ordered some cacti from Italy, and it took a while for them to get here. I had to get some permits and some labels, and I learned a lot in the process. I made some mistakes along the way, but I definitely learned a lot, and I'm just so happy that they're finally here. Okay, so this one is a Tephro cactus, 3 balls. Oh my gosh. Now, they're really warm. As I'm taking them out of the package, you can feel the heat radiating off of them because they've been in here for a really long time. So, if you live in Southern California, you know how hot it's been. It's here in Southern California specifically, it's been over 100. It reached like 108 this weekend. So, okay, let's see. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Now, they've done a great job of wrapping each cactus in paper, and this is really good because it protects them from the rough travel that they've had. I mean, just imagine the boxes are just tossed and compressed, and so this is a 2-ball Tephro. I love the color. They're so beautiful. They look really healthy. We have Cereus herbaceae. Right.
Careful, love.
My cheesecake! I almost burned the cheesecake I had in the oven. That was scary. All right, so this one here. Got our spiral cactus. So the box is filled with 4 other ones of these. Here we have, does it say? Okay. Down. one of. Okay. Whoa! Last but not least, got some astrophytums. Yes. And finally, we have some Euphorbia obesa. Just love that name. I love the name obesa. Okay. Now, these guys are supposed to be old.
Whoa. All right. Cool. Cool.
That concludes the unwrapping of my cacti shipment from Italy. In the next video, I am going to show how I put them in soil. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and it keeps me motivated to keep making these videos. Until next time, bye.